Is it clear, guys, what I'm saying now? Vinay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. What about Naveen? It's like manager, and then there is another manager under him, and then that manager got teammates. Right. Yeah. Okay. So let's say, the moment you are going to trigger certification for some senior manager and 5 people, 5 managers are already reporting to senior manager. In that scenario, 6 access review will be generated. So 1 is for senior manager and 5 access review for 5 managers. Okay, so I have selected including accounts. I have selected entitlement as well. So yesterday I was trying to remove this role from this application. Item was removed, but access has not been removed because there is no target application. So you can take action on accounts entitlement. So this is what it means. If there is any policy violation, it will show over here. So quickly, let me try to show for policy violation as well. So any questions? So from here, you can check how many identities completed, how many items, how many access review has been completed. You can check using this. You can go through this. You will come to know. Let me quickly trigger for policy violation. Do we have any certification? Let me quickly select for policies. Okay. If I'm going to select application owner, only for all application. In that scenario, what will happen? Let's check. Certify accounts include policy entitlement. I'm going to execute right now. Division frequency 1. So any idea how many access review will be generated? So in my system, I have a policy in my system. How many applications are present? Let me quickly check. For each and every application, 1 access review will be generated. Okay, so in my system, I have 6 applications. Go ahead and check. So 1 access review for Active Directory, 1 access review for Prism. It will take a time, but it will generate for all. The certification is in pending state now. Okay, now track application is populated for a track review. For AD application, SP admin is the certifier. So SP admin is application owner. But Prism application, Walter is the application owner. So I have to log in as Walter, and I have to do the certification validation. I'm going to validate. So that's what it means. Quickly check for other application. So when the certification is triggered for the application, all the identities present on the application will be set on user or just the owner of the application. Can you come again? You mean you're asking about entitlement and accounts, right? Yes. So what I mean is when we trigger a certification for the application, will all the identities present on that application, all the entitlements present on that particular application will be certified, or just the application owner? The moment you are going to trigger application certification, all identities will be populated and related entitlement. Let me open and show. Let me select Active Directory last time. I have selected only for accounts. So all accounts were visible. Now, so entitlement are there. This domain admins is present for this user, administrator. So Prathima Kumar is one identity which the user has domain computer entitlement. The owner of entitlement X will have to certify all the people who are entitled for this application X. So in his access review page when he logs in, he will see for application. He'll see all. Like, for example, if he has 50 people in that application, he'll see 50 entries there, across every entry to look like this, with the application name saying that, okay, this is the entitlement. This is the entitlement. Because he is the SP admin. That's why correct me if I'm wrong. Rakesh, yeah, right, the SP admin. That's why you're seeing everything here. Which is kind of confusing sometimes, because it shows every application to you, right? Because you are the SP admin. You see everything for all applications. Right. So I'll do one thing. I'll log in as Walter only. I'll show you. Okay, so we have 6 applications in our system, like AD, JDBC, LDAP, PeopleSoft, Prism, Track 6 application, but only 4 access review has been generated. Any idea quickly? Because 2 access review was not created. Because there were no users to certify, nothing to certify. That is the reason for LDAP and JDBC. So in 4 application we have some objects, some identity, some entitlement is there to certify, like some level. Object is there 6? Object is there 156? Object is there. So that's what it means. If I'm going to open this access review from here, I won't be able to make any changes. I can see, but I won't be able to take any action on that. Because I have to log in as Walter. So quickly log in as Walter. This is branch here, Walter Henderson. This is going to be a username. So always you'll get notification. Click on that. So it will redirect it to work item. From there you can open that access review. Or else click on my work on my access review. From here also you can access. So here you have access review for Walter Henderson. Due date is 15. So this is the one related to now. You can click on Start. From here, you can take the action, whether you are going to approve or revoke. You can take the action. Is it clear, Navin?